I'm Sneha and welcome back to my channel Sneha and Love. Today we are just going to sit and talk, and I've been wanting to do this since so long, and I've tried to film many of it as well, but I don't know, it was not up to mark or my satisfaction. So if I talk about my current life update, ever since I have started to realize what life is and how life works, I'm just so amazed because yes, 2 days before, day before yesterday, I was crying for some reason, and definitely that reason was very valid, but today I am here happy alone here, and filming this video because I am happy, because I want to. So I just I say this to myself. One of the biggest lesson I've learned is that every day is not the same. Today is going to be a bad day, tomorrow can be a good day, or vice versa. We just have to keep going, we just have to keep doing our tasks, complete them no matter what. And even though it hurts, in the end the whole motive is to learn the lesson from what happened, like I did, like I have been always doing. And even though it hurts, you still have to remind yourself every day that okay, we got the lesson and we need to keep going. I mean, yeah, sometimes it sucks, everything sucks, but in the end you have to keep going. Right now I feel comfortable, I feel good that I've been doing a lot of productive things, though I still, the beautiful thing is that you always know that there is still room for improvement, there is still so much of things that you have to learn, so much of things are left in your life that you will be seeing, or so many new people you'll be meeting, so many new things you'll be discovering, learning, or you just see or just live, whatever it is. This part of life definitely amazes me, and it just excites me. Okay, I have so much to do, I have so much to learn, I have so much to improve, and I have so much to put life into my days, and keep on improving. And I am repeating the same thing, but it is what life is what I think. My college started last week, and the first initial days were very beautiful because we had our orientation, and for my third year we had our orientation for syllabus for the whole year. And the best part was the feedback part, where every student were asked to share their opinion on how things are working and what all things we need to improve on or to work on. And I could see people having so many opinions and so many new ideas and innovations to not to to enjoy the academic year, to do more. And I was so excited, I was so I sat there itself, I was so much enjoying listening to each person and their opinion and their perception, and knowing about their experiences of what they have been doing in their school days, and everything, whatever it was, from bad things to good things. I enjoyed every moment. And yeah, the excitement for sharing this did came from there. I really wanted to just come back home and share this thing with you guys, maybe because I'm getting comfortable with camera. And yeah, so Sneha is going to do a lot, that is for sure. Next is like, maybe this is part of adulting, maybe being an young adult is exciting to me, because I am a person like who has kept herself protected, preserved, reserved for many years, like all my childhood and all my teenage, and now I'm very much excited to explore my life, to explore myself, कि मैं कहाँ कहाँ, like I can put my potential in and gain some good things, whatever. it just I don't know, I'm just excited to do a lot of things at the same time. It may be academically, it may be in my personal opinion. Yes, there are things that that keeps hurting. Like when you think about it, you are definitely sad. I'm not going to talk about it, by the way, but yeah, there are things, but we'll look forward to the brighter side, right? So I'm doing the same. I am doing what I have control over, that is me and my life and how I look up for it. मैं उस पर कैसे काम कर रही हूँ, and how much I work on myself is what I can do right now. So I'll be doing that only. And I'm sorry for this pause, but life is unexpected. Like, this is coming from a girl who has zero expectation of how her adult life would be. Like, I'll be 21 next month, but I still feel like I am sweet 16 because yes, I might have not explored my life as much as an average 21-year-old girl or adult would have. Like, there are many things that I still haven't explored, or I still don't know about as a 21-year-old girl, but I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to meet people and know about things that I need to work on and discover life in all its way, in my perception, and build my perception stronger, so that one day I can put my opinion that what, we should add this to our curriculum. I want to do that. Yeah. So this is Sneha, who is sometimes excited, sometimes very much confused or underconfident about who she is or how her life is going. I might doubt on how this video might have turned out, but I definitely want myself to go ahead and do these things, because these are the things that keep me excited. And I've said these words so many times. I really need to work on my vocabulary. One of the reasons that I'm recording this video, because I really need to build my confidence in how I speak and what I speak, because I know I babble a lot if I speak, and I speak a lot of nonsense. Like, अगर तुम मुझे पूछोगे कि चपाती कैसे बनती है, तो मैं तुम्हें पहले आटे की कहानी सुनाऊंगी. तो I really need to work on that. And maybe you guys can reflect on yourself after this video, ki how is your life going, what did you think about yourself when, like, if you had ever thought ki one day I'll be 20, 21 or 18 or whatsoever, what I would be doing as a young adult. Because I myself, I know that even though as a person I have I'm quite considerable, but there are things definitely जो एक social societal you know curriculum, I don't know if that's the right word, उसमें जो skills होने चाहिए, like socializing, like interaction, I really need to work on it. But what I am talking about, that's not my weak point, okay? I am very good at conversations, but it's just that I'm very moody about मुझे अभी बात करनी है क्या नहीं. So it's funny, it's really funny. I mean, like, there are, like, it's not just about me, it's about, I think, most of us people who are introvert, we genuinely, it's our mood, it's our energy, it's our time कि ये सब ग्रह जोड़ के हम देखते हैं कि भाई बात करने की शक्ति है, बात कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते हैं. If not, we can simply turn around and run away. Like, seriously, I've done this so many times and I definitely am not proud of it, but I do that to save my energy or save me from any kind of embarrassment, at least from my side. So yeah, I don't know why I recorded this video. It was just from, like, from heart ki I really wanted to sit down and have a chit chat on my channel. Whomsoever is watching this, I know, like, बहुत few numbers होने वाले हैं, but let's do it for ourselves. This is for nobody, this is for me, and anybody who is watching this, please appreciate your time, my words. And if it doesn't make sense, please be brutally honest and comment down below कि बकवास मत कर. And if you loved this whole thing, drop down hearts so I can know that मैं इतनी भी बकवास या babbling नहीं करती हूँ. Like, if I start talking, because I really need to work on it. Am I going to put this on YouTube? Like, seriously, people will be watching this and judging me and be like, ये वही है, ये वही है. Yeah, so that's it. I had a great time recording and talking to, like, camera for now, because definitely I don't have subscribers. I am loving it. This is for me. I'm reminding this to myself. And yeah, I said what I said. Future Sneha, do not judge me. I love you. Sending loves to all who are watching my video. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, subscribe to Sneha and Love. Like the video. Comment down heart if you liked. And अगर नहीं पसंद आया तो simply बोल देना बकवास बंद कर. And अगर कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो get lost. This is me, introvert Sneha, signing off, taking my leave. I'll see you guys again, I'm saying this, in the next one. Till then, bye bye. And keep loving yourself, keep going, and keep working hard.